Ticketmaster app not working. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First and foremost, the main reason your application Ticketmaster might not be working is because you are not updating or using its latest version. So head over to your Play Store and search for Ticketmaster. Once you see open beside of the Ticketmaster app, it means your application is updated. If you see update, tap on update and update your app. Once you do so, head over to your settings, scroll below and tap onto apps. At this page, search for Ticketmaster. For instance, if this is my Ticketmaster app, tap onto storage and clear the cache. Also tap on clear data. But before clearing this application's data, also make sure that you have noted your username and password somewhere. And once done, tap on delete. Now come back and tap on to force stop and tap on OK. Now once you do all that, this shall fix your Ticketmaster app not working problem. If it's still not fixing your issue, then uninstall the Ticketmaster application and reinstall it again from your Play Store. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.